What's the meaning of cliquish? Cliquish. Cliquish.
Cliquish. Cliquish. The word cliquish refers to the tendency of a group of people to form an exclusive or tight-knit circle or clique, often resulting in the exclusion of others. This can lead to feelings of isolation and exclusion for those outside the group, as well as a lack of diversity and new perspectives within the clique itself. Additionally, cliquish behavior can contribute to a toxic work or social environment, where those who don't fit in with the dominant group are marginalized or bullied. Overall, cliquishness is an undesirable trait that can hinder personal growth and positive social interactions.